Hello friends, today I am going to start part 42. My garden. Mage gewatta. Mage gewatta. This is my garden. This me. Mage gewatta. My garden. This is a banana tree. Me kesel gahak. This is a lemon tree. Me dehi gahak. This is a coconut tree. Me pol gahak. This is a jack tree. Me kos gahak. This is a breadfruit tree. Me del gahak. Del. Banana. Banana Sinhalese word is kesel. We use kesel in writing. We use kehel in spoken. This both are same, but this is writing word. This is spoken word. Me kesel gahak. Kesel gahak. Kehel gahak. Dehi. Lemon. Dehi. Lemon. Coconut. Pol. Kos. Jack. Kos. Del. Breadfruit. Del. Part 42, my garden, mage gewatta. This is my garden, me mage gewatta. This is a banana tree, me kesel gahak. Kesel, kehel. This both are same. This is a lemon tree, me dehi gahak. Dehi. This is a coconut tree, me pol gahak. Pol. This is a jack tree. Me kos gahak. Kos. This is a breadfruit tree. Me del gahak. Del. Today your lesson is over. See you later. Thank you very much.